They will benefit from these skills at their workplaces and in their professional life for sure. To name just a few of them, I would like to refer to how we effectively communicate with our colleagues, our managers in workplaces, how we can be successful in communicating in a multicultural environment, how we can manage conflicts, how we be able to contribute while we are working at teams. Honestly, I cannot really think of any job or career that doesn't appreciate communication as an asset. And as I said, I'm happy that we're offering that to the students in this course, to the students of different fields and programs, because regardless of the industries and companies or job tasks or responsibilities that we are handling, we need to communicate with certain stakeholders.